Welcome back, next squad. What's up going on? What's up going? Brunch time today. Yes, look at what I did today, guys. And we're gonna have a mukbang about it. Me and my bestie Simone. And I'm gonna just show you quickly how I prepared this brunch. Mwah. Mouth watering and tasty. If I say so myself. Yeah. And that's me just being greedy. Hi guys, so welcome. So today I prepared some brunch and my best friend is here with me, Simone. Hi. And basically what we're gonna do is to taste the food. So it is a taco. And in my taco, I have a taco and I have a pizza. And the ingredients in both or on the pizza and in the taco is the same, right? And I use the wrap to do this. Just regular wrap, guys. So it's plantain, it's some bacon, some tomato, and some scrambled eggs with some cheese. And it's 4 cheese, it's Italian cheese. So we have mozzarella, some provolone. It's really tasty. And with that now we have some fresh veggies. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and taste. So Simone, you can go ahead and take one of the. Okay. And guys, this is what it looks like. Look at that. It was worth the wait. I was hungry.
Don't have any time to talk, guys. Eating.
And tomorrow, remember, there's vegetable on the plate.
That will come afterwards.
Guys, the plantain in this is so sweet. It just ties everything together. There is a saltiness of the bacon, and guys, Simone, does this taste like there's no salt in there?
I don't think she put any salt in it.
But does it taste
I think it is the taste of the bacon. That
no salt, guys. So, no hypertension around here. But what I did put in though, guys, is some of the Badia complete season and some black pepper in my eggs. And you saw the fresh seasoning that I added.
Will there be a round 2?
She ain't getting another pizza. My pizza is for later.
Oh my. You coming for dinner tomorrow? Shrimp pasta.
Yeah, that's what I'm making.
Will I be invited?
Sure. Can watch a movie, eat some food and talk, right guys?
Guys, I have to give her a thumbs up.
So guys, remember to like, to follow me, you know, subscribe guys, subscribe. It takes nothing to just hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that as soon as I drop another video, you are the first to know. And thank you again guys for coming and enjoy.
Bye.
So next squad, you're just gonna go in and I'm just gonna show you guys how I prepare this. I'm not gonna really do a walkthrough as in to tell you what the ingredients are. If it is that you want to know what they are, comment below and I will go ahead and give you the full recipe for free. So subscribe and comment below and you get the recipe for free via email. Alright? Just watch me going those nails, guys. Like, yeah. Right, some onions, some scallions, and some pepper. Got my eggs. Gonna go ahead with those quickly. Add some of my favorite seasoning. That once you subscribe, you will get that recipe or comments below, or both. Yeah. So we start properly. Gonna grab my bacon. Gonna cut that, yes, in small strips for my topping of my pizza and for my taco. Who else loves bacon? Alright, so gonna go ahead and fry that bacon up. And I was using the frying pan a little bit earlier, guys, so yeah. Alright, so we're gonna put the plantains in as well, and plantain is another topping that we're gonna also have on this pizza. Alright, so we're gonna fry those up. We're gonna ensure that they're not burnt, you know, and we're draining our bacon in the meantime. Alright, so that much oil, we're gonna go ahead and throw off some of the oil. Whoops. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and add our eggs and we're gonna scramble those up. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Alright, grab our cheese. Cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Alright, scramble that up, put that one side. Gonna go ahead, drop some chiffon butter. Drop in a wrap. Flip. Alright, so egg, tomato, plantain. More cheese. Yay, bacon. Alright, so that's for the wrap. That's the taco. And go ahead, we're brown on both sides, as you can see. Eggs, tomatoes, cut that tomato differently. Some plantains, some bacon, more cheese, more cheese, more cheese. We're gonna cover that and allow the cheese to melt down a bit. And this is on low heat, guys, so you don't want to burn this wrap. Alright. Almost done, almost done. Be patient. On, there we go. Oh my gosh, guys, just look at this. Mouth watering, delicious. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you did, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the movement, join the Nick Squad family, and go ahead, watch another video and share it with a friend, share it with someone who would enjoy this recipe. And if you tried, let me know by commenting below how it turned out. But guys, this was